Your community is one of the most powerful assets on your SpeakerHUB profile. Welcome to SpeakerHUB. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to publish posts, share files, and control who gets access to your content, so your members stay engaged, informed, and coming back for more. Let's get started. Step 1. From your home inside Speaker page, click on the Community tab in your horizontal navigation menu. This is your dedicated space for sharing updates, resources, and exclusive content directly with your audience. Step 2. Click the orange Write Your First Post button. A text editor will open right inside the page. Here, you can write any message you want, and you have basic formatting tools, including bold, italics, bullet points, and links. Use these to make your posts clear, professional, and easy to read. Step 3. Add your files. One of the most valuable things you can do as a speaker and expert is share resources directly with your community. Click the Upload Image button below the text editor. You can attach up to 6 files per post, including images, PDFs, workbooks, and documents. This is perfect for sharing slide decks, checklists, or any bonus material that adds value for your members. Step 4. Choose your audience. SpeakerHUB gives you full control over your content strategy through the visibility menu. You have 3 options. Members, for anyone who has joined your hub. Premium, to restrict content exclusively to your paid subscribers. And All, which makes your post visible to everyone, including public visitors. Select the level that fits your strategy and hit Post. Step 5. When you're ready, click the orange Post button and that's it. Your post goes live instantly. You'll see a confirmation message at the bottom of your screen confirming that your post was created successfully. Now, here's a bonus tip. Once your post is live, you can click the 3-dot menu in the top corner of any postcard. From there, you can choose to pin post to keep it at the top of your feed, which is great for welcome messages or important announcements, or you can delete the post if needed. Finally, check out MemberHUB in the top bar. This is your personal feed for updates from every community you follow. It's the perfect place to engage. Be sure to like, comment, and share posts to stay connected. This interactive experience is exactly what your own members will use to grow your presence on the platform. That's the power of the SpeakerHUB community. Start sharing your expertise and watch your audience grow. Head over to your SpeakerHUB and create your first post now.